Sebaza Katonda olunaku luno olwaleero essomero lino King's College Budo nga lijaguza emyaka 12 okuva lwe lyatandika. Twebaza Katonda kubanga yatubeera ne tufuna obukulembeze obujja ate kano n'abutuweerawo bulungi era tukakasiza ddala Katonda agenda kukola omulimu mulungi mu mukulembeze w'essomero lino omujja awamu ne board.
The school has produced a publication entitled The King's Crown, a Legacy of Excellence. Now this is a book that has been written by Budo for Budo.
The NRM government shall continue to support the school by providing a conducive environment towards the achievement of holistic education. And government has been dialoguing with arts teachers and indeed all the educationists to be patient on the issue of enhancing salaries for arts teachers.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.